Welcome everyone to Global Connect Aircraft Summit 2018. My name is Michael Faree and I'm here in sunny San Diego, and we're going to be talking and learning about best practices and trends all revolving around airline connectivity. Come with me as we talk with the movers and shakers in the industry. Welcome back to the Global Connected Aircraft Summit 2018. My name is Michael Faree. I'm here with Sam Swaro. We're going to learn a little bit about his company, but first tell us a little bit about your position and your role there, and then we'll dive into what you guys have to offer.
Hey, this is Sam Swaro from HCL, and I'm Associate Vice President with HCL and represent the Aerospace and Defense Unit. And I've been with the company for a pretty long time, almost 2 decades.
Great. So tell us a little bit why you're here at Global Connected Aircraft Summit, and tell us a little bit about HCL.
We have been here in Global Connected Aircraft, for this is our 4th year we are participating. And HCL, it's a household name. It's a pretty global company. We have been in the industry for the last 46 years. And our Aerospace and Defense Unit, was established in the year of 1999. So almost 2 decades of aerospace and defense when it comes to HCL. You talk to any customers here, there should be an existing customer of HCL. All the tier 1s, all the airframe manufacturers we work with, a lot of airlines customers we have. At GCA, we are bringing in a lot of use cases. Mostly this year we are showcasing how IoT is playing a big role in connected aviation. So when we look at connected aviation, from our perspective, we are looking at 5 different things. One is what it means to the back of the aircraft and front of the aircraft. That is from a inside the aircraft standpoint. What it means to crew operations. What it means to the ground operations, both onboard and ground. And also 2 markets we are looking at, what it means to us from a SATCOM, satellite communication market standpoint, and airline standpoint. And one common thing that cuts across all these 5 elements is the cybersecurity, because as and when we are opening up to make it more connected, security becomes one of the big aspects which everybody they have to take care. So it's a necessity element. So what we have to offer when you are coming up with an open architecture, so from security standpoint, what do we have to offer? That's a great asset to when you're looking at HCL. Cybersecurity is something you should look at.
Great. Can you go a little deeper and a little more specific about what type of products and services HCL offers?
All right. So in this conference, we are showcasing mostly on a few things on track and trace, how we can take just a dumb tag and make it a smart tag. Like it can be RFID based, Bluetooth based, and Wi-Fi based kind of thing. And also we can make it a GPS. If you want to track it real time, we can make it a GPS based tracking. So that's on a track and trace standpoint. If you are an airlines, you want to track your assets, you want to track what's there on your airplane or on your inventory side, then we can help you on that. We have a lot of, at least 2 products we have in-house that we can take it to you. We can just customize a little bit and then it's ready to go kind of thing. And from an augmented reality standpoint, AR, VR standpoint, we have one demonstration where we are showcasing how the maintenance crew can be benefited by the augmented reality, usage of AR in the maintenance crew standpoint. So that's something the MRO industry, the airlines, the crew, maintenance crew, they can use it very efficiently.
And now, is that where HCL sees the industry sort of moving towards? What kind of future trends do you see?
Yeah, we see, what does it mean? Like everybody is looking at the ROI. When we talk about connected aviation, connected aircraft, everybody is wondering what's going to be my ROI. And we play a big role in that because we are not only a technology company, we also invest in right technology. If you are a company investing like $1 million now, you're wondering about how do I recoup $1 million and make money on top of that. So that upfront investment and how do I monetize down the stream, we can play a big role in that. So pretty flexible business models to work with our customers to come up with innovative business models, which is win-win for us. So when a customer comes to us, they are not only looking us as a technology partner, but as a business partner also.
Great. So when we look at all your propositions and your value proposition, how do you suggest clients approach it, and how do they best benefit from what you guys offer?
Well, it's a fantastic question because that's one of the question that always my customer, they talk to us, see what we bring to the table, then how do we start the relationship. And as I was telling, in our industry, ROI is a big thing, and finding the right recipe which can get the industry attention is a big deal. So what we typically do, like with one of our customers last month, we spent about 5 days in a workshop, like 5 to 6 SMEs, subject matter experts from my company. They worked with our customer for 5 days in defining different kinds of use cases, the scenarios, what makes sense technologically, what makes sense on a business scenario, like where their business guys see the market is going. There can be a space which they can tap into. So we define those use cases with our customer, and once the business team and the technical team, they agree it's possible, it's feasible, then both of us, then we go ahead and implement it and see that, and then launch it to the market. So I think it's a great idea. Defining use cases and then taking it to the market in a slow fashion is a great way to go.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much for sharing the information, and we'll see you out and about. Thank you.
Thank you.